Now the topic is four-stroke petrol engine. These are the main parts in the petrol engine, mainly piston, connecting rod, spark plug, valves, and etc. The four-stroke engine comprises of four strokes, that is, suction, compression, power or expansion, and exhaust. Four-stroke petrol engine mainly doing four process in the each stroke. One is valve operation, second one is piston moving, third one is working process, and last one is crank revolution. Let us start the explanation of four strokes in the four-stroke petrol engine. In this section stroke, inlet valve opens, piston moves TDC to VDC. Fresh charge, that is air and fuel mixture, enter into the piston cylinder. And last one is crankshaft completes half of the revolution. In the compression stroke, both valves are closed. Piston moves BDC to TDC, compressing the charge till it reaches the maximum pressure and temperature. And last one is crankshaft completes half of the revolution. In the power stroke, both valves are closed. Piston moves TDC to BDC. Sparking takes place from the spark plug, which ignites the compressed charge that will power will produced. And last one is crankshaft completes half of the revolution. In the exhaust stroke, exhaust valve opens. Piston moves PDC to TDC, rushing out the burnt gases from the cylinder. And last one is crankshaft completes half of the revolution. The cycle again and again repeated. Thank you for watching.